Di ba trinaydor ka niya? You understand that, right? So do it! This is your last chance to prove your loyalty. Do it! Do it now! What are you waiting for?
Gino, please.
You? You betrayed me, Joy.
Yun pala ang pangalan mo. Have a safe trip to hell, Joey.
Tumigil na yung mga putukan sa loob. Tinapos sila ng mga police and DDE agents. Sana nga nagkakahulihan na lahat.
Pero si Joey, kailangan na natin siya makita.
Gino, do it now!
Just wanted to give that to you. Para naman kahit nasaan ka, no matter where you go, never forget that you have friends. You have us.
If you won't do it, then I will.
We have to leave now.
Ano?
When I count three, this is my car. You run, okay?
Delikado!
1, 2, 3, you run!
Ano si Andrew, Peter?
Don't mind them. We need to go.
Tara!